I have completed my fourth round, and after that you make one more granny square in the base color yarn. Here I am using the white color yarn for back side of the gloves, and here I have made fifth round of the same stitch pattern, and then you join together with granny stitch. Go to the any corner or any space of the 3DC stitch. This is the corner space of the square. Here you attach the base color yarn. Here I am using the off-white color yarn, and make one slip stitch and make 1 2 chain, total 3 chain, count as a first DC, and make 2 more DC in the same stitch, same space, and make 1 chain, 1 more chain, and go to the second square, and this is the corner of the second square. Here you make 1 slip stitch and make 3 more double crochet in the same space of the front side square, and then make 1 2 chain, and you go to the space of the back side square, and here you make 1 slip stitch and make 3 DC in the front side square, and then make 1 2 chain and go to the back side square and make 1 slip stitch. I have finished my granny square. This is the one side. Here this is the corner space. Here also you join it, 1 2 3 chain, 3 DC stitch, and then 1 2 chain, and this is the corner of the other square, backside square, and make 3 more DC in the same space. And this is the one side, this is the one side of the gloves, and here you join it, and then this is the upper side of the gloves. So here you do not join, do not attach together, you make only granny square. I have completed these lines, and then this is the open. Here you do not attach together. This is the upper part of the gloves, and for next round you make only here, you make 3 DC 2 chain and join the attach the other side and make 3 DC stitch. and make 2 chain and attach it back side of the square and make 3 DC. This is the thumb portion, so here you do not attach together, you make only granny square stitch in the front side of your square. One, two, three. You do not attach, you attach only corner space. Two chain and attach it with slip stitch. This is the back portion, and 3 more DC, and this is the lower part of the gloves, means the wrist portion. You do not attach it together, you make only granny stitch, 3 DC, 2 chain, 3 DC, here you join it with slip stitch, and this is the thumb portion. This is the wrist part, this is the upper part, and here the thumb portion. You can attach one if you want to make the small hole, then you attach it, and start from next round with 2 chain and make 1 half DC in the every, make 1 half double crochet in the every stitch. You repeat it in this round. Then you join it with slip stitch. Here I have made 1 slip stitch. Then make 1 2 chain, counterchain first half DC, and make 1 half DC in the back post of the next stitch, and 1 half DC in the front post of the next DC, and you repeat the same stitch in this round. You repeat the pattern in this round. I have completed this row. You make 1 more round of the same stitch. This is the upper part of the gloves, and here the thumbs area. Here you make the same pattern. you repeat the same pattern. Two to three rows of the same pattern, same stitch, and also you make the same pattern in the wrist portion. Here I have repeat the 6 rows of the same pattern, same stitch, and here I have attached one ribbon of the, here I am using chain stitch, and attach pom-poms, small size poms, and this is very beautiful and unique pattern, and you can try it in one color of yarn. And please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.